How to withdraw Bitcoins from Gemini to an external wallet. Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Gemini account filled with Bitcoins, wondering how to get your hands on them? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down the process of withdrawing Bitcoins from Gemini to an external wallet, step by step. Context: Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. But what happens when you want to take your Bitcoins off the platform and into a wallet you control? That's where this video comes in. Step 1. Create an external wallet. Before you can withdraw your Bitcoins from Gemini, you'll need to have an external wallet. A wallet is essentially a digital container that stores your cryptocurrencies. There are many different types of wallets available, including hot wallets, connected to the internet, and cold wallets, offline. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using a hot wallet. Step 2. Verify your Gemini account. To withdraw Bitcoins from Gemini, you'll need to verify your account. This involves providing personal information and possibly uploading identification documents. The verification process can take a few days to complete. Step 3. Fund your external wallet. Once your Gemini account is verified, you'll need to fund your external wallet. This can be done by purchasing cryptocurrency on the exchange and transferring it to your wallet. Step 4. Generate a Bitcoin address. A Bitcoin address is a unique identifier that allows you to send and receive Bitcoins. To generate a Bitcoin address, you'll need to open your external wallet and look for the receive or deposit option. The address will be displayed on the screen. Step 5. Withdraw Bitcoins from Gemini. Now that you have a funded external wallet and a Bitcoin address, you're ready to withdraw your Bitcoins from Gemini. Here's how to do it. Log into your Gemini account and navigate to the Wallet section. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the Bitcoin address of your external wallet. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Review the details of your withdrawal and click Confirm. Gemini will process your withdrawal and send the Bitcoins to your external wallet. The transaction time can vary depending on network congestion. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Fees. Gemini charges a fee for withdrawals. The fee amount can vary depending on the withdrawal amount and network conditions. Network congestion. During periods of high network congestion, transaction times can be longer and fees can be higher. Conclusion. Withdrawing Bitcoins from Gemini to an external wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can safely and securely transfer your Bitcoins to a wallet you control. Call to action. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.